So how to download CapCut in your PC? First of all, we will go to this up to down page and click on older versions. Make sure to download an older version. I am downloading this. You can do the same. Now click download. The download will get started. Now we will download the Urban VPN. Click on the first link by searching on Google Urban VPN. Then press on products and free VPN for Windows. Now download it. Now we will install CapCut. Allow the administrative permissions and click install now. Start now. Open CapCut. You can cut the testing environment because we have been downloaded an older version of CapCut. So CapCut is now saying to update the CapCut, but we are not going to do this because in the recent CapCut updates, CapCut added a lot of features in Pro. So what we are gonna do is to use a older version of CapCut. You will still get the most of the effects. Don't worry. We are not going on a very old version. So never click install now, and you can cut this. Now if we go to the any effects or transitions, we can see that there is a network error. Why? Because CapCut is banned in India and we will install this Urban VPN. So there is a error that same version already installed, so I will not install it again. I am clicking finish. You can very easily install it. There is no rocket science in this. You can choose any country. For now I am using United States, the default one. So when you are connected to the VPN, let's open CapCut. Now if we will go to the transitions or any effects option, effects are now loading. So now you can apply and use it.